In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot common issues with your Alibaba app. Whether the app is crashing, freezing, or simply not running as smoothly as it should, these steps will help restore its functionality and get you back on track. Let's begin with the most straightforward solution, restarting your device. This might sound simple, but a restart can resolve many temporary software glitches and provides your device with a fresh start. Go ahead and power off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Once your device has restarted, relaunch the Alibaba app to see if the issue persists. If restarting your device doesn't solve the problem, the next step involves clearing the app's cache and data. This process can resolve issues stemming from corrupted or overloaded app memory. To do this, navigate to your device settings and look for the Apps or Applications section. Once there, find and select the Alibaba app from your list of installed applications. You'll notice an option to clear the cache and, if needed, clear the data. Clearing the cache deletes temporary files stored by the app, while clearing data will reset the app to its default state, which can address more persistent errors. Keeping your app and device software up to date is crucial for optimal performance, compatibility, and security. If clearing the cache and data didn't fix the app's performance, check if there are any pending updates. Start by visiting your device's app store and looking for updates specifically for the Alibaba app. It's equally important to ensure that your device's operating system is current, as running outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with apps. If these steps haven't resolved your issue, consider reinstalling the Alibaba app itself. First, uninstall the app from your device, ensuring you hold and move or select the uninstall option as required. After the app has been removed, visit your app store again, search for Alibaba, and download the latest version available. A fresh installation often addresses underlying issues by replacing corrupted files with a clean slate, thereby facilitating better performance. Finally, if you're still encountering difficulties, it might be worth examining your internet connection. Sometimes, connectivity issues can impede the app's functionality, especially if it's reliant on a stable connection for real-time data fetching. Check if your current network has a stable and strong signal. If it doesn't, try switching to an alternative Wi-Fi network or, if possible, use mobile data to see if this resolves the issue. By following these detailed troubleshooting steps, you'll hopefully have rectified the challenges you were experiencing with the Alibaba app. Don't forget, consistent maintenance like keeping your apps updated and managing storage is key to ensuring long-term improved performance. If you continue to experience problems, reaching out to Alibaba's customer support for further assistance might be the best course of action. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.